pick up from where we left off. This is part 2 of the Stout tent install. We just have to use these larger stakes to stake down the guy lines and the ropes now. I am talking over myself because that part of the video, the microphone wasn't on. There are 12 of these. Again, it came with 13 of the large stakes, giving you one extra one. This time I'm going to drop my stakes in the spot that they should go in. Oops, I don't think the camera was up high enough. I'm going to take it off. Let's take it off and do it again. So this little piece here, I can't see it, this piece here is connected right here on this ring. And it goes on top of the A-frame peg that's sticking out of the top of the door. Like so. Okay, reality check time. Stout says that one person can install this tent, and you all have seen me do it. One person can install the tent. They also say that you can install this tent in 15 minutes. I'm here to tell you that you can install this tent in 15 minutes. I did not install it in 15 minutes. It was hot, and I was not about to be running around like I was crazy trying to beat a 15-minute clock. This was also my first time, so I think the next time, or if I wanted to, I could install it that fast. I don't see a need to install a tent in 15 minutes, but the fact that you can is good enough for me. The other thing is everything that I needed for this tent was there. The quality is beautiful. I love the ease of install. The 360 bug guard, which was an extra cost, is a keeper. You cannot buy this thing without that 360 bug guard. So I can't wait till the next video so I can show you the 360 bug guard as well as the interior. Thanks for watching. Officially Fran. So my tent is installed. It looks really good. I'm so happy with it. This is the Bell Pro 5-meter, 16-foot diameter with the 360 bug guard. I really wish I had bought the 19. I want the 19 now, the 6M. So as soon as I can, I'll be purchasing that one.